Mars, a planet that once thrived with water and warmth, has undergone a dramatic transformation over billions of years. Picture this: 4.6 billion years ago, Mars was born alongside the rest of our solar system, emerging from clouds of gas and dust. In its early days, it was a vibrant world, not unlike Earth. Imagine rivers flowing, lakes shimmering, and possibly even oceans covering much of its northern hemisphere. This was the Noachian era, a time when Mars had a thicker atmosphere and a climate that could have supported life. Volcanic activity shaped its landscape, giving rise to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. Fast forward to around 3.7 billion years ago, and everything began to change. Mars started losing its atmosphere, likely due to a weakening magnetic field. Without this protective shield, the relentless solar wind stripped away the atmosphere, causing surface pressure to plummet. The rivers dried up, lakes vanished, and the once warm planet transformed into the cold, barren desert we see today. Most of its water either evaporated into space or became trapped in polar ice caps and underground reserves. Today, Mars is a frozen desert, with average temperatures hovering around -80 degrees Fahrenheit. Its thin atmosphere, primarily carbon dioxide, is less than 1% as dense as Earth's. Dust storms sweep across the surface, sometimes engulfing the entire planet for weeks. The iconic reddish hue of Mars comes from iron oxide, or rust, coating its surface. Yet, despite its harsh conditions, there are tantalizing hints that liquid water might still exist, albeit in small, fleeting amounts. Some regions show seasonal changes that could indicate briny water seeping up from below, and subsurface lakes have been detected beneath the polar ice caps. One of the most intriguing questions about Mars is whether it ever hosted life. During its wetter past, microbial life could have thrived. NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers are currently scouring the Martian surface, searching for signs of past life. They analyze soil samples and drill into rocks, looking for organic molecules and methane in the atmosphere, both potential indicators of biological activity. However, the origins of these substances remain a mystery, leaving scientists eager for answers. As we look to the future, Mars stands as a prime target for human exploration. NASA, SpaceX, and other agencies are developing plans for manned missions to the Red Planet. The challenges are formidable: low gravity, extreme temperatures, and high radiation levels. Yet, some scientists envision a future where Mars could be terraformed, gradually altered to become more Earth-like by thickening its atmosphere or introducing gases to trap heat. Mars, once a warm and wet planet, now lies as a frozen desert with ancient secrets buried in its red soil. Its story is one of transformation, from a potential cradle of life to a desolate world. Yet, even in its barren state, Mars continues to captivate our imagination. As we delve deeper into its mysteries, we may find that the story of Mars is far from over. In the coming decades, it could become the site of humanity's greatest exploration and adventure.